In this question, two statements are given. We have to choose the correct option based on the given two statements. In the first statement, it says that the Balmer spectral line for hydrogen atom with the lowest energy is located at 5 by 36 RHCm inverse. We can find out the answer by using the given calculation. For Balmer series, the value of N1 is 2 and that of N2 is 3. Now we can find out the value of wave number, that is equal to 1 by wavelength. We have the equation to find out the wave number, that is Rydberg constant RH into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here N1 is 2 and N2 is 3. So we can substitute the values to find out the value of nu bar, that is 5 into RH divided by 36 centimeter inverse. So this is the correct answer, means the first statement is the correct one. In the second statement, it says that when the temperature of a black body increases, the maxima of the curve shift to the shorter wavelength. This is also true because from this graphical representation we can see here the temperature T2 is greater than T1. So when temperature is increasing, the maxima of the curve is shifting to the shorter wavelength region. So both the statements are correct here. Hence the correct answer is option C.